Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you on how to repair Clipchamp app, that is a video editor on your Windows 10 and 11 machines. If your Clipchamp app is crashing, not opening, videos not uploading to Clipchamp app, or you are getting several types of errors, then you can fix it using a few methods. First you can do is you can try to repair this Clipchamp app. For that, right click on the start button and select here settings, or you can press Windows plus I key on the keyboard to open the settings app on your Windows 11 machine. Then select apps in the left side. On the right, click on installed apps. In the search, type Clipchamp. Beside the Clipchamp entry, click on triple dots and select here advanced options. Then scroll down and click on repair option. This will repair your Clipchamp app and it should start working on your Windows 11 machine. Next one method is you can troubleshoot store apps. For that, you need to again open settings app on your Windows 11 machine. Then select system in the left, and on the right click on troubleshoot. Then click other troubleshooters. Here scroll down to the bottom and click on run button beside Windows Store apps. This will detect issues related to all Windows Store apps, and Windows 11 will try to fix it automatically. If it does not solve your problem, then you can try to uninstall and install Clipchamp video editor app on your Windows 11 machine. For that, again, you need to open the settings app. Then on the left, select apps. On the right, click on installed apps. In the search, type Clipchamp, and beside Clipchamp entry, click on triple dots and here select uninstall option. Again, click uninstall. This will remove Clipchamp app from your Windows 11 machine. Then open a Microsoft Store app on your PC. On the search, type Clipchamp and click on its entry in the search. Here you will find Clipchamp video editor. Click on install button to download and install it on your Windows 11 PC. If it does not solve the issue of your Clipchamp app, you can run an command on your PC. For that, click on the start button and type cmd. Here, right click on command prompt entry and select run as administrator option. If user account control prompts, click on yes button. Then here type sfc slash space sfc space slash scan now and press enter key on the keyboard. This will detect problems on your Windows 11 machine and try to fix all your issues related to Windows 11 apps. It may take a few seconds or even a few minutes. Once it reaches up to 100%,
I'm overheated, can hardly sleep at night, doing crazy dreaming. You're the reason why, hiding by the baby, losing my mind. Don't try to save me. I feel alive. My world is faster and faster. The tears and the laughter. I'm here for the ride. Yes, yes, I'm an emotional mess. Yes, but you wouldn't want me any less. Yes, 'cause you know how wild it could get.
this will take a few minutes. So I am closing this window. You need to wait up to 100%. Once it reaches up to 100%, then you can close the command prompt window and restart your machine and check ClipChamp app. It should start working as usual. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel Gear Up Windows, do hurry up. A lot of tutorials are awaiting for you. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.